I'm going to tell you about 5 ways with which you can earn from real estate. First one is rental income. Buy buildings or properties, residential or commercial, whatever you like, and lease them out or rent them out to generate a steady monthly income. Second one is property flipping. Buy undeveloped property or underdeveloped property, renovate them and sell them out or lease them out for higher profit. Then comes REITs, real estate investment trust. You can earn a very good dividend from this REITs without owning a physical property. Then comes short-term rental. Use a platform like Oyo Homes and Oyo platform to rent out the small part of your house or building. Then fifth one is property development, which is the biggest one, the most powerful player in this field. You can buy undeveloped land, then you can construct buildings or properties and sell them out or lease them out to earn a very good chunk of money. Thank you.